Oh, didn't see there. It's just a painting, you know. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I am not Tana Mojo. Today I'm going to be painting a Bob Ross tutorial, but the only thing is that I have dollar paints, and yeah, so this is my canvas. It's very tiny. Also, I don't have a it took me 10 minutes to try and figure out that word, but apparently it is easel. I don't have an easel, so I used one of my other tripods, and I used you can't really see, but you know, they're there. And it kind of works. I'm pretty proud of myself. So I'm going to start off by taking the plastic off of this, and oh, okay, that is done. So I got this at the dollar store. I get everything from the dollar store. Not really, but you know, okay. This is my box of art supplies. These are all of my okay. These are all of my paintbrushes, and yeah. Oh. And these are my paints. We have up in here black, Admiral blue, white, Velvet Crush, Flag Red, Jack-o'-lantern, Dandelion Yellow, and last but not least, Spring Green. And we're going to be using these colors for my big canvas. So let's start the video, shall we? Ooh. The Joy of Painting with Bob Ross.
Hello, I'm Bob Ross, and I'd like to welcome you to the 24th Joy of Painting series.
Okay, so it says titanium white, so I'm just gonna put white on here. And I'm pretty sure he does like a first coat of like white paint or something, and I'm not gonna do that because I don't have a lot of paint. Okay, so I have all of my colors on here. I don't want to tip it too much, but those are my colors. So he has some colors on there that I don't know, but hopefully I can just mix colors together and, you know, see what I get and stuff, because you can do that with paint. Let's go.
With the old 2-inch brush, the little tiny one, take a little bit of the Indian yellow, just a very small amount of the 2-inch. Maybe we'll have a beautiful little sky.
Oh my god, he's starting.
Warm colors.
I'm nervous.
Okay.
Okay.
Sort of makes you feel good when you look at it. So making little X's, little crisscross strokes, go all the way across the canvas, like so. Just about next. Then,
Oh my god.
without cleaning the brush, let's just go into a little bit of the yellow ochre. Once again, we do not need a great deal of paint.
The yellow
Just
ochre is like
a
it.
little paint. Still making our
Okay.
little crisp.
We're pausing. So far he has like yellow right here, and then he adds it in the water, so then he like does it down here and stuff. So I'm gonna take stuff from here and go here. Okay, we're off to a great start. All right. And then he goes for like a warmer, darker, like a brown yellow. Oh, I didn't put orange in here, or purple. Well, I don't know if he uses those. Oh well, I'm gonna put it in here anyways. All right, so I added orange and purple, and let's wet the brush. I need a towel. Oh my god. What's happening? I want to mix yellow and like the orange, and then we'll see what happens.
Yellow ochre. There, yellow ochre is sort of a nice gold color. It's beautiful.
Beautiful.
Color. There. Shoot. Time to get crazy.
Oh,
Time to get crazy. Let's go
crazy.
right into the bright red. And still, we haven't washed the brush. Just a little bit of the bright red.
okay. No washing the brush.
Making our little X. Makes you feel good when you look at it. Makes you happy.
Oh.
You almost can't help it. Just sort of. We'll just add a little that down here too. And the water, we're just going to reflect the same basic color in our sky. Something about like that. There. Take a little bit of the phthalo blue and alizarin crimson, mix them together right on the brush.
Okay.
And with that color, sort of a lavender color, we'll just fill in the top of the sky. Phthalo blue and alizarin crimson.
No, I'm just gonna use purple.
Or the red side. It's strictly, completely up to you. You're right. Just a happy little cloud up here. We can make the indication of a little cloud. Just
Oh my god, I have a brush kind of like that.
there
Okay.
it is.
Whoa. All right, let's settle. I didn't put the white on the bottom, so I'm using water to kind of like blend it a little bit more. But I think I added too much water. Right now he's adding like clouds, so I'm gonna add a little more purple right here.
Little cloud, oh, big cloud. So you can just let it go. Let your imagination take you wherever you want to go.
Oh, I should have mixed the colors
But all you
first.
need is just in the sky.
Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do that now. Oh, I need water.
There are brushes with odorless paint that are in. I really suggest that you run. There's a screen.
My paint is splashing, so that's not good. So I'm gonna have to go like this. Okay, so I'm gonna add more of that. That's more blue. We'll add more purple. Making colors, you know. This is great. How are you guys doing? If you guys are following along, just kidding. He has some over here, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, wait. Okay, this one's not looking too well, but these are actually looking pretty good.
Go right over those. Just blend them. And it'll make instant clouds. And the more you blend them, come.
Okay, so I'm gonna blend.
Continue to blend them until they absolutely just disappear.
Oh, I don't want to do that.
Up to you.
Okay, we'll experiment.
Right. I think maybe today in this little... Let's build us a little...
I'm not gonna do that.
For that, we'll use black, little Prussian blue, little alizarin crimson, maybe some Van Dyke brown.
Okay, so he's starting on his mountain, and I don't have that tool, so we're gonna use this sponge because it has like a pointy thing, so I'm just gonna go off of that. Okay, so I'm gonna put dark blue, and then I'm gonna put black in it, and then I'm gonna mix. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the sponge.
Major decision. Where does your mountain live?
Lives
Maybe in our world?
right
It
here.
does now. Our mountain lives right there. With a very firm pressure. Just literally push the paint right into the fabric. Right into the fabric. We just want to show you a technique and turn you loose on the world. Now if we had a dry canvas, at this point you'd be in agony city. Because the paint will not move like it does on this wet surface. And that's what the liquid white does. It allows us to actually blend color, direction.
Well, you know what?
Downward.
I'm gonna wet my sponge. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna wet it.
For highlights and shadows in your mountain without being committed. There we go. Other things happening in there. Pull the paint out. And once again, our little roll of paint right on the edge of the knife.
You know what? I'm just gonna let it play, and I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing because
Just follow right down the mountain there. But no pressure. Absolutely no pressure.
I'm doing great.
And just a touch more blue to my color, just so it shows up a little better and you can see it.
I'm gonna add blue to my gray mixture I have because that's what he did and he likes it. So
Here, and just tap. I want to diffuse the base of this mountain so it looks like it's sort of laying in the mist down here. But always follow the angles.
it actually doesn't look bad from right there.
There.
I'm switching brushes. Like I don't know what I'm doing, but
So, clean dry brush. And once again, just tap this a little to create the illusion of mist down at the base.
God, he's so good. All right, so I'm gonna add the shadow, and it's already dry. Wow, I love that. What he did first was he did like this area, and he just went like that. So I'm gonna try and do it, his technique kind of brushes it. Okay, and then he added more blue and he made it more lighter, so I'm gonna add white. I can't really see because of the reflection, so.
I don't know. You sort of have to make up your mind. Each one of these, though.
I can't make up my mind, Bob Ross. I need your help, man.
Brush just add a little yellow to it, some sap green.
Oh.
And we can just begin
I should never paint ever again, you know? Okay, so I'm gonna pause and try and do as much as I can, try and fix this, and then I'll come back to you guys. So let's hope I fixed it, you know? Did the best I can. I might add more detail like when it's all dry and stuff, because everything is just blending together, and that's what I have so far.
Little evergreen trees. Just use the corner of the brush as you work down the tree. Push harder and harder, bending the bristles. Down here, oh, we're really getting tough. We're just bending it all the way down to the furrow. Get tough. Show it who's boss.
So he's doing trees, and I don't have, what do you call it, an angle brush, so I'm using whatever brush this is. I'm just gonna try and mimic what he's doing, but you know what? I'm not gonna use this brush because the bristles are going everywhere, which is probably good, but I'm just not gonna do it. So I'm gonna add what he did. So I added my line.
The amount of times I said so in this video is ridiculous.
Oh my god, this is so bad. I thought that this would look like pretty good. Guess I was wrong. So I'm gonna go to the next tree, and I'm gonna tell you a little backstory on art for me, because I feel like that could maybe be interesting. Okay, so I'm gonna do my other trees because he did like 3 over here and I've only done those, so I'll get back to you after that. So let's go this way. Okay, so I did the trees on this side. I only did 2 of them because I didn't have enough room for a 3rd one. So yeah, so I already skipped a little bit ahead, and I heard he's gonna do bushes, so I stopped and I went back. But I made like a bush color green, not really, but kinda.
Just sort of push upward with the brush. Make the indication of some happy little bush grab.
Okay, so I know I'm not gonna go across because last time that happened, I messed it up. So, what if I like take my finger? Innovative. Okay. So I'm gonna go back over it with the brush and just put them there, you know? I'm not doing that.
Now, I have several of each brush go inside.
Oh my god, mine does not look like his.
And just vary your colors. Vary your colors. There we go.
Wait, that's not bad.
Decide where
Well,
trunk
you know,
is.
we'll like do that.
Makes it look like there's a log out.
He said that this part is the water, apparently. I didn't know that. I need to make it look like it reflected, but how do I do that when I can't? It's a question of the day. I'm gonna go like that. Look, it works. What do you know? Not really. He's gonna do the whites of the trees. I'm gonna use a really fine brush. I'm talking to you guys like I know what I'm doing. I already messed it up, but whatever. Oh my god, I ruined it. Okay. Oh my god. What? Honestly, I might just give up now, you know?
Okay, let's take a little sap green and a little...
So he's adding more detail with the greens, so...
into the very dark color. Always sits in a recess.
Ah!
So chances are...
He really trying me. All I can say is that he is a mastermind. And he's amazing, and he's great. So he's putting kind of like rocks, it looks like. Or like land, I guess is what he said. So I'm just... yeah. I'm gonna come back when I'm done with the rocks, I guess.
Painting is a very individual thing. So when you're doing your painting, you change it any way that makes you feel good. But some wing side, almost like...
I forgot to tell you I added more stuff to the mountain because I thought it needed something, so that's what I did. And mine just don't look like his. Like, this doesn't look like water to me. Okay, this is kind of okay. It kind of looks like rocks and stuff. This is not blended very well, so let me just stupidly do that, you know? So I don't know what I could add to make it any better. But I feel like I should put like blue right here because that's obviously water, but like he like never really put blue. I'm just gonna have it flow in here, you know? I need to blend it a little bit because she's looking kind of rough. I just covered the purple with the blue, so now I'm gonna add more purple. Okay, that's not bad, right? It's kind of like a waterfall. Yeah, okay, it's a waterfall. Honestly, I think I'm done because Bob Ross is done, I should be done, right? Let's do a little showing, shall we? So here it is. Yeah. If I were to rate myself, I'd probably give me a -4. I did also use like $1 paint and like $1 paintbrushes, and not even $1, like that whole packet was $1. And I didn't wet my canvas, and I didn't have, you know, his acrylic paints and stuff. But to be honest, like from far away it looks pretty good. So here's mine, and then here's Bob Ross's. At least I tried, you know? Alright, enough of bashing myself. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. The worst thing about this all is I need to clean up. And that's annoying.